Welcome back. Welcome if you're new. Today I'm going to plan for the month of August. This is the Erin Condren 8x10 softbound planner. So as you can see, I have it in the wildflower, and the Coffee Monsters Co theme this year, for anyone that's new, is flower, so it works out really well, and I just lent into that. But we'll get to what the August theme is in a second whenever we're setting up this. This page I don't really need for anything else, and I've been using as just somewhere to put an art piece just for fun. And I'm going to start with that, and seeing as it's August, we're going to go with an ocean water theme. Because I got an extra little card from my Q2 subscription from Coffee Monsters Co. Let me show you. Of all these little emojis inside bubbles. And I'm going to put down, and then I have the Bubbly Bubbles washi and the, what was the name of this again? I'll put it up there. Washi from Coffee Monsters Co. I'm going to open them up now, you'll see them. I'm going to put them down on this. So let's do that real quick, and then we'll get into the main planning.
Nothing ever felt as good or as easy as when we were young. Oh, though I felt misunderstood, it was a pleasure running away with you. We were just children acting like a dog.
How cute is that? Lovely. I always have that little piece of art there and that little washi just to look at rather than leaving the page blank. So the August theme is a poppy. Here, they're chosen by the birth month, so the poppy is the August birth month flower. She's actually said on Instagram that she has chosen the 2025 themes already. I'm really looking forward to seeing what they're going to be. Isn't it terrible? But when you're a planner, you kind of can't help yourself because you're forever like thinking forward. Like, I'm excited to see next year's themes, and it's only July. And then, you know, I pre-ordered a planner that's I'm not going to get to October, and I'm itching to see it, but I'm like, Ruth, seriously, stop wishing your life away. Is it just me that's like that, or do you as planners all feel like that too, that you have to kind of catch yourself on to not constantly be thinking of the next thing and planning forward and, you know, making your life go even quicker than it already is? Anyway, tangent. So these are the washi stickers, the seal, and the little art piece that I have in here. I'm actually going to lift this out because it'll just be a blank page when I take these off, so I might as well just take it out now. And then let's pull out the main stuff. I have the last few days of my countdown. I'm off on annual leave in August. I'll set them aside so I don't forget to put them in. And then as well as that, I'm going to lift out actually the dates. I redate my monthlies to a Monday start using Planner Monkey Co stickers. Here it is HS40. Because they're not transparent, I don't have to white out the previous dates. They just cover them, which is really handy. And then this is the actual kit. So it's unusual colours to be using in August, but that's the flower for August, and it's really pretty. So that's the first sheet, and that is the second sheet, and the third sheet. And then we have an add-on sheet that I got, the August 1.3 inch labels, and finally the August washi strips. So let's get started with getting the layout down in the month and getting it changed to a Monday start, and then we can get to planning.
I look at you, you make me blind. Why do you have to be so beautiful all the time? I know I can't be with you. It's killing me to see you with someone else. What to do? Now I'm in the corner and watching you smile, watching you smile. And I can't get over you, I'm losing my mind. of the things that I wish I could tell you. Every time when you're passing me by, I fall in love. There's something about you, I wish you were mine. And if I only could be there to hold you, it feels like I stop breathing when you're around. I'm in love, there's something about you, I wish you were mine.
Right, so we'll start by putting down these on the Thursday and the Friday. And then I'm going to actually use a little label here down at the bottom, and then use my Soda Blue, my liner, one of my new ones, and highlight then the days that I'm on annual leave. And then I think I'm going to write with, let's do the dark grey Zebra Sarasa. And then I'll just write in here annual leave. And that's that sorted, seeing as that takes up such a huge bulk of the month. Cannot wait. But anyway, the 3rd is my brother-in-law's birthday. I'm going to get the main kit where I have little balloon doodles here and put it on this stripy one. And put that there. And then let's do from start to finish for a change rather than doing themes. We'll see how long that lasts, but we'll try. But anyway, so I don't have anything then to put in for this whole week. But the 12th, I will have a nail appointment at 12:30. So I think I'm going to use these little ones with the face. Put it right up here. But then over where the little face is, I might put a little nail polish bottle. This is from Fox and Pip. I'm just going to do it over the top of the little face, and then I can write in what it is. And then nothing for the rest of the week. And then we have the nails again on this Monday. And in August, I'm actually switching at some point, I think, to Friday. Yeah, I am, which I do think will suit better. So the 20th is payday, and there should be a little money here. And let's put it on a smaller label from this sheet. Having these kits just makes it so easy to do your monthly. And then I can pull from it, you know, the rest of the month. So it's also my nephew's birthday, so let's just do the same thing. Get another stripy one. Get another set of the balloons. And put that in there. I actually have a lot of birthdays in August. So let's take this one for the 23rd, which is my niece. And then I have small balloon stickers in here because there's only 2 in the monthly kit. Put it there. And then Monday, I'm not back to work. It is a bank holiday. And I'm going to use this little label from the event stickers from Coffee Monsters Co. and put it on one of these. And then the 29th is my other niece's birthday. Get another one of these wee stripy ones. And a balloon. And then the 30th is when I move to my furry appointments. So there we are. Always makes me feel really organised. Lovely. Okay, let's move on to the dashboard. So my dashboard, I do currently watching, first of the month, journal themes, the theme for this month, and this is where I do my weekly mind map, or weekly themes rather. And I'll get out a little TV doodle from Coffee Monsters Co. 2 to pop in here. So let's get all that put down. I don't know what it is about months. I find them very relaxing, not only because it makes me feel all nice and set up, but I just enjoy sitting, putting all down the stickers, probably because you only do it once a month as opposed to weekly. I don't know. Putting down stickers in general, I suppose, is relaxing. Anyway, let's get this set up.
First time I ever saw you, I fell in love when you entered the room. And when the light hit your face, we were just kids, but I knew right away that I will be with you until I stop breathing. I will keep loving you as long as my heart's beating. Oh, hold me close, promise you won't let go. I'm nothing without you, I don't know what I would do without you. You are the one I choose, I wanna grow old with you. I'm nothing without you, I don't know what I would do without you. I'm still in love with the way that you smile. And when I look in your eyes, I know that I will be with you the rest of my life. I will be with you until I stop breathing. I will keep loving you as long as my heart's beating.
And that is us finished, all set up for August and ready to go. There, I don't normally put those in advance. These dates are from Planner Monkey Co. But I just decided to go ahead and put them in because I got mucked up and laid it out as a 4 week in a month that there was 5 weeks, and I'm hoping that, well, this will stop that, but the only drawback is potentially not having enough space to put stickers that I want to put, but I think that's easier to fix by simply picking a smaller sticker than it is to fix not having room for 5 weeks, if that makes sense. Well, I'll try it anyway and see. But I hope you enjoyed hanging out today, and take care, and I'll speak to you really soon. Bye.
A place with sun all year round and pina coladas with pretty faces and sand on the ground.